Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. You may have a seat. What seems to be the problem?
Dr. John, I've got a pain here. The cortic dart.
Oh, you got a sore throat and a bad cough.
Yes, sore throat and bad cough. And also the sour dart and feeling very slabby.
Okay, you have also got a headache and feeling very weak. It sounds like you've got the flu. Take 2 aspirin every 4 hours. You should also get lots of rest and drink more fluids. If you don't feel better in a couple of days, give me a call.
دکتر جان سنتر فهمیدم که چی نفهمیدم.
خلاصه اسپرین گرید و زیاد آب نوشید.
انا تشکر زیاد دکتر جان.
و باز انگلیسی آموزید که شرمنده نشوید.